We'll look at some of the top video doorbells for apartments in this video. These devices are great for apartments because they're quick to install and have lots of features.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Blink Video Doorbell. The Blink Video Doorbell is a standout choice for apartment dwellers seeking a reliable and easy-to-install security solution. Its wire-free design means that renters don't have to worry about drilling holes or dealing with complex installations. The device operates on 2 AA lithium batteries, which can last up to 2 years, making it a low-maintenance option for busy individuals. Take advantage of clear two-way audio, infrared night vision, and 1080p HD live view. With the supplied AA lithium batteries and sync module 2, you can set up your devices in minutes and get up to 2 years of power on each one. Improve motion detection with Outdoor 4. Take advantage of a larger field of vision and receive faster motion alerts thanks to dual zone, improved motion detection with our brand new Outdoor 4. Store and distribute videos. You have the option to save events locally using the accompanying Sync Module 2 and USB drive, separately supplied, or in the cloud with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan. Designed for any home, the Wire Video Doorbell lets you go wire-free with in-app chime notifications or connect it to your current in-home chime. Even Blink Mini, which is available separately, can be used as an interior plug-in chime. On number 2, we have Ring Battery Doorbell. For apartment dwellers wishing to increase their security, the Ring Battery Doorbell is a flexible and well-liked option. Renters can take advantage of a number of advantages that this video doorbell, which is well known for its strong features and dependable operation, offers. With head-to-toe video now available, Ring's best-selling video doorbell 2nd Gen offers 66% greater vertical coverage. Using your phone, charge it, snap it into place, and maintain connectivity. Rechargeable, the battery in the doorbell is integrated and cannot be taken out to be recharged. Control Center for Security and Privacy gives you the ability to examine, manage, and alter key security configurations. Make connections with others by using live view and two-way talk to observe and react to activity. Keep informed. Get alerts in real time when motion is detected on your phone. Get smart alerts to be informed. Receive updates when someone or an item arrives at your door. The Ring app, which is compatible with iOS and Android cell phones, integrates seamlessly with the Ring Battery Doorbell. You can instantly receive notifications via the app whenever someone presses the doorbell or activates the motion sensors. Moreover, the software enables two-way audio and real-time video streaming, so you can talk to guests right from your smartphone whether you're at home or away. On number 2, we have TPLink Tapo Doorbell. If you live in an apartment and need a dependable and reasonably priced security solution, the TP-Link Tapo Doorbell is an excellent option. This video doorbell is perfect for renters because it is easy to install and doesn't require complex wiring, which is a feature that prioritizes user convenience throughout design. It runs on a rechargeable battery, so you won't have to worry about external power sources and location flexibility. With 2K resolution, you can see more clearly and with finer details than the standard 1080p resolution. Identify faces with ease, capturing every detail, even when enlarging and presenting all the information you require at your entrance. With a 160 degrees ultra-wide head-to-toe field of vision, you can see the entire scene. Observe things that conventional video doorbells might overlook to make sure your entryway is fully covered. Get a call asking you to answer the door without using the Tapo app. Respond to guests quickly and easily with a single click. Remain informed, stay in touch, and never overlook a guest again. Calls are made using the app. Mobile minutes are not used. By designating activity zones that are especially watching for motion or people, you may eliminate pointless notifications. Utilize free person detection to get real-time notifications for genuine security problems, removing false positives from unrelated items. So these are some of the best doorbells to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.